Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you if you want to keyboard shortcut for shutting shut down Windows 10 PC. So very easy guys. If you want to keyboard shortcut for shutting down Windows 10 PC, so firstly click on start. Firstly click on start plus X key plus U key double tap. That is. Firstly click on start key plus X key plus U key plus U key 2 times. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to keyboard shortcut for shut down Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.